Sharon, yes, I have told you time and time about it. Take this little princess today a salon to make her hair.
You know this girl, her hair to pay her a lot. She prefer like this one.
Prefer what? It's not hurting you.
It's not hurting. She prefer it like this.
It's not even beautiful. You know those things that I call chicken.
Please stop talking to my child like that. Hey, check it.
That's what you look like.
It's like someone is knocking.
Right.
Are you sure? Wait, are you sure it's our gate?
Yes.
I heard the knock. Check.
I'm coming. Who are you looking for?
Good afternoon. Please, I'm looking for the owner of this house.
So who are you?
I was sent by someone.
Then are you okay?
What is it? Who is there?
I don't know the person.
Let him come in.
Come in.
Lock the gate.
Lock the gate.
Come on. Who are you? What's your mission?
Sorry, sir. I was sent by the agent for the chef.
Okay.
Oh, you mean F. Mbase?
Yes.
Okay. So you are the chef, right?
Yes, sir.
Dad, I don't like him. Just go.
You don't know him.
You're just letting this person forget.
You just conclude that you don't like him. Someone you're just saying today.
We need a chef, but not someone like him.
My love. That's the same thing you told me when Amaka came for the interview. You said the same thing. That made me ask Amaka to go. Not again. Not again.
It's true, Mama. You're just waiting for the first time.
Don't say any other word again. Daddy is talking. You don't want to hear from him. You said your name is
My name is Prince, sir.
Prince.
Yes, sir.
From where?
I'm from Imo State, sir.
Where in Imo State?
They just let him just go. My spirit is not accepting him. Get out of here.
Daniela,
Daniela.
I am talking for goodness sake. Comport yourself. I did not send you to school to become rude. He's old enough to be your uncle. So don't be rude.
He's not my uncle and he can never be.
Just waiting.
Mr.
Prince, sir.
Prince, right?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sorry. Children with their character. So, like I said earlier, you said you're from where?
Imo State, sir.
Which side of Imo State?
One minute, sir.
One. Okay. And you are sure you can prepare a sumptuous meal?
Yes, sir. The agent that sent me, you can ask him.
That is exactly what Obiageli said. And he nearly killed us with food poisoning.
No, sir. I've been cooking for years now. I can cook. I can prepare intercontinental dishes.
Like what? What kind of intercontinental dishes?
Sir, don't worry. I promise you, I can do this work well.
Apart from being a chef, what other things can you do?
Okay, I can clean the house, take care of your daughter.
No, don't just go there. Take care of her.
I think he's capable, like he's qualified for the job.
No, I can't.
Just fine. Just give him a
Just step out, like, just stay here. I'll give her to you.
Okay.
Why are you acting like this?
Why are you acting up? What is it? This young man, have you seen him in any way?
No, I don't like him, so I can cook.
You can cook what?
How many times have you prepared food for your father? You that cannot even boil hot water.
You can just go outside and buy food, but you see this one, no.
How many times will we continue buying food outside? I am consuming money. See, my love, what are you talking about? Should we?
Yes, yeah, we should just give him the benefit of doubt.
No, Mom, you can also cook.
Your mother is a banker, and her work doesn't give her time.
We can manage.
Manage what? You complain that sometimes he did not eat and go to bed. You start complaining. So what do you want me to do?
Now we are having a chef that will stay in the house and make food anytime you call him.
Now listen,
Yeah,
I'm going to give him a strict warning that if he comes your way, I will sack him.
I'm not going to eat his food.
So what will you be eating? You'll be starving. Although you can prepare noodles for yourself. Anyhow, if you want to prepare water noodles, we have biscuit there, provisions are there. You can even take it and eat. So
Daniela, we are employing him. I don't like this. Don't mind her, she'll get over it.
okay,
She's a child.
so he's good to go.
He's good.
Okay, Mr. Prince, please come.
Okay, sir.
I want to give you a benefit of doubt. You have to go in there and prepare food so that you enjoy it, and if you are fit, capable of doing this job.
Okay, sir.
Henceforth, for now, we'll pay you 100,000 for now. So when we see your improvements, how you do things, I will increase the salary.
Okay, sir. Thank you very
So
much.
you will start today.
No problem. At least I came with my things. Thank you very much, sir. I promise I will not disappoint.
Okay.
If you're dishing that food, see, I'm not eating it. I'm not eating
Myself,
it.
sit down.
Walk fast. I try to see his face.
What face? You mean the stabber mark? Maybe he's from, I don't know what that signifies, but see, don't judge book by its cover. He might be a good chef. So please, I don't want this part of yours. Understood? Smile for daddy. Don't worry. I'll get ice cream for you. Smile now. I'll get ice cream for you. Oh, don't worry. He will not come across your path. Smile for daddy now. Smile. No, he's fake. You're faking it. You're faking this smile. Smile.
Oga, oh, I've brought out your food, oh. Oga?
I am coming. I'm here.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, the food is ready. Where is my wife?
I think she's inside.
Inside.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm so tired. Tell her that I want to see her.
Yes.
What is wrong with me? I know I'm overstressing myself. So, what's wrong? What's wrong with me? It's like I'm losing breath. Am I okay? I'm fine. I'm fine. It's stress. What is happening to me? Somebody help me. I don't know what I'm doing. What is wrong with me? Jesus. My head. What is it? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Man! Chef! What's wrong with you?
Okay.
What happened?
Okay. Okay, what is wrong
Let's
with
take
you?
him to the hospital. I don't know. Let's take him to the hospital.
Okay. Okay.
Let's take him to the hospital.
Yes.
What's wrong with you? I'm seeing bed. All over. Everywhere. Bed everywhere. Bed. Yeah. Bed. Yeah, but there's no bed here now. What are you going to do? What?
Okay.
Jesus!
Is he okay? Huh?
He's not breathing.
He's not breathing. Okay. Okay, he's dead.
Wake up! Wake up! Don't do this to me!
He's dead, though.
What did he?
Okay. Okay.
Wake up! Wake up!
Hey.
What's your name? Wake up! Somebody help me! Wake up! What should I do? I don't know what to do.
That little girl thinks she knows what she's doing. But today, I'm going to change her mother's mind from her. You think you're wise? Today, your mother will no longer do whatever you say. And as for you, Emeka, I was sent by the great Lakuz kingdom to wipe your family away. And that's what I'm going to do today. Great Lakuzi. Great Lakuzi. Great Lakuzi. Ha 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 ha. I'm going to pound you today. I'll pound you to your doom today. Pains. Agony. Doom. Failure. I'll pound you to your deaths. Ha 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 ha. It is done. You think you can leave us and go? Today is your end.
Fool is always a fool. Stop exhibiting your foolishness because you are a fool. You think all this in your pounding is going to work. This is my home. My spirit dwells in this house. Not even you and your so-called member who penetrate. This is my house. This is my abode. I do not everything I want to do. And as for you, Prince Will, I'm only buying time. I am buying time to destroy you. When the time elapses, you will face my wrath. I have to go and rest. I have to go and rest. Tomorrow is the final stage.
Hi.
I'm fine. Mom, can I talk to you?
What is it?
It's about the maid.
This is Jeff.
Yes.
What about him? What happened?
Mom, I don't like him.
Huh?
Since he stepped his foot into this house, everything just changed.
Changed how? Hey? Why don't you like him? He's a nice person. He cooks very well.
My spirit doesn't accept him. I don't even know whether he's the one responsible for my father's death.
Shut up your mouth. Why would you say that? Why would you say that about the young man that is trying to make a living for himself? Eh? You know how your daddy died? Your daddy that was screaming in same bed. But I don't even know if that man is a ritualist. I'm even scared. Eh? Don't say that about him. He's just trying to survive. He's just trying to make a living. That was why he applied as a chef in our house. So treat him as your family. Because he's one of us now.
Mom, what if the maid is a wizard?
Shut up. What do you know about wizard? Who taught you that? Oh, so this is what you are going to school to learn, Abi? To dislike somebody and call them wizard.
It's not that, because my father wasn't sick. He was healthy. When he stepped his foot into this house, everything just changed. And now my father is dead. Maybe he's the one responsible.
That is the same thing I'm telling you. That maybe your dad died out of his ritual attack. Because, you know, someone that is healthy started screaming, bed, and seeing bed everywhere. He died maybe out of ritual attack. So, don't think about that.
Mommy,
and don't speak ill about our chef anymore. Are you hearing me? Don't try it. He's just like a brother to you. So you have to respect him. Take him as your family.
Mom, even you suddenly changed. You don't even listen to me anymore.
Because you're becoming stubborn. You don't listen to me too. You're becoming stubborn. Is that time I changed you from that your school? Is that time?
This is not the mom that I used to know. You just suddenly changed. All of a sudden. He doesn't listen to me. Nothing.
Get out from this place. Get out!
I'm just telling you.
I say you should leave here. Daniela! I said get out from this place.
Are you shouting at me? Sorry. Mom, but I'm saying the truth though. What are you doing here?
You little brat. I overheard you telling your mother. Are you okay?
Monitoring spirit. So you have been monitoring me. Anywhere I go, you'll be monitoring somebody.
Look at this muggy hello. So you now have the audacity to go and gossip me to your mother. If you do that thing again, I will use my hand and squeeze out your mouth. You don't like me. Let me tell you. I'm here to stay. I'm not going anywhere. Do you hear me? So it's high time you start liking me in this house. Nonsense. If you ever in your life, you gossip my name to your mother, so I will do to you that day. You will not know yourself.
I know why I asked you this way, because you know what you did. Get out.
You know what I did? How? What did I do? Mind what you are saying. Do you hear me? You are still a little girl.
Stop pointing at me.
You are still a little girl. If I hear my name from your mouth again, I will deal with you. Nonsense.
Maybe that you're the one that killed my father.
Come on, your useless father. Let me hear my name.
My father useless. I know useless. You just come to somebody's house to destroy families. Since you came into this house, everything just changed. There's no care. Even my mother doesn't listen to me anymore.
What have you done? What have you done, Prince Will? You think I will not know your mission? You think I will not know anything concerns you? What are you still doing in my house? Haven't you done enough? Get out of my house.
Emeka, I'm really surprised to see you here. I thought you were resting by now.
So you think you have the mind to leave our society? Emeka, I came for you. Let me tell you, I'm not yet done with my mission in that house. I came to that house and I'm not going anywhere until I accomplish my mission.
You can never accomplish your mission. I send it back to your truth. You can't. Oh yes, I belong to whatever thing you target. But I liberate myself. I wasn't your member again. I accept Jesus as the Lord, my personal Savior. Then, why are you people after my life? Why are you people after my family? You succeeded in sending me to my early grave.
You were warned that once you step your foot into Lakuzo kingdom, that you are not going anywhere.
To hell with you and Lakuzo kingdom. I am not part of you. I can never be part of you. Stay away from my home. Stay away from my home, Prince Will. Don't say I did not warn you.
Emeka, I am not going any.
How dare you?
Emeka, if you try this next time, I will forget that you are a ghost. Then I will deal with you.
You cannot do anything, Prince Will.
I cannot do anything?
You cannot do anything, Prince Will.
Okay,
I am warning you for the opportune time. Stay away from my home. You succeeded in turning my wife against my child. You made my wife to hate my child so much. My child knows everything. She hates you from the offset. She was telling me all these things. She was giving us signal, but we developed deaf ear without knowing that you came with evil intention. You poisoned my phone with your charms, and I ate it and I died. The spiritual realm, I was held captive not to come. I was still begging Mother Earth to let me go. Let me go out and save my family. They are just giving me time, and when the time collapses, you will not like the outcome. I am warning you. Go back to that court and let my family be.
I'm not going anywhere. Okay? I'm yet to begin.
Now read my lips. Read it very well. I don't bite. But when I bite, I'll make sure I'll pull out your skin.
And you cannot do anything to me.
Do not say I did not warn you. Do not say I did not warn you, Prince Will. Return to wherever you came from. And let my family be.
I should return. Then come and take me back.
A stubborn fly. Follow the corpse to the grave. Don't say I did not warn you, Prince Will. Stay away from my home.
Emeka, you are gone. And you are gone for good. Okay?
Ah!
You can only roll. You cannot do anything to me. Okay? Have you forgotten where I belong to? Have you forgotten? Lakuze kingdom. They are all behind me. And they were the ones that sent me to this mission. And I'm not going anywhere until my mission is accomplished. Emeka, I'm yet to begin. I would wipe your family. You think you can turn your back on us? It's not going to happen. It cannot happen. And now, let me warn you. Let this be the first and last. You will come to me. Okay? I don't want to see you anywhere close to me again.
It's now I understand that what is eating the vegetable lies in the vegetable. Now listen and listen good, Prince Will. Do not take my quietness for stupidity. Leave my wife and my daughter alone.
No. You would have stand. You would have faced me. They said the stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. You think you can turn your back on us? I think I've warned you enough. Try me. Try me next time and see.
Daniela, why are you lying down? And I've not even eaten your food.
I'm not feeling too strong.
You're not feeling too strong. Or you are scared of going to school.
I'm not feeling fine. just rest.
You're not resting. I'll put your snacks inside your bag. Oh yeah. Try and eat the food so that you go to school.
Tired.
Stand up from there. Stand up. I don't even know what is wrong with you. Eh? I gave you food. Instead of you to eat it, you kept it like that. Stand up!
Am I eating the food?
Since you don't want to eat it now.
Can I stay home today?
Stand up! Go to school. That's what I said.
Can I stay home today? Please let me rest.
Daniela, go to school. That is an instruction.
Mom, what happened to you? You have changed.
It's none of your business. Go to school. I've prepared you to school. Go to school.
Only me. I should go to school, only me.
Ma'am.
Am I supposed to take you to school? Am I supposed to back you to school?
Sorry, ma'am. Let me take her to school.
You want to take her to school?
Yes, let me just take her to school.
Okay. Take her to school.
Please take me to school.
Daniela, let me take you to school.
Daniela, your chef said he wants to take you to school. Follow him now. Eh? Follow him and go to school. Do you want me to back you? Are you still a baby? You are grown. You are old enough to take care of yourself. So follow him and go to school. You know the way to school.
Mommy, please come and take me to school.
Come, let's go to school. Go to school. Let's go.
Can you imagine? 13 years old girl. She want me to back her to school. I even gave her food to eat. She refused. It's not my business. If she like, when she get to school, let her stomach pain her. It's none of my business. I could have done my part as a mother.
Leave me alone.
Don't go to school. Leave me. What alone? Eh? Stubborn girl like you. Go to school. Your mates now, they are in school now. Yeah, I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. If I hear your mouth again, I would say this is not. Go to school.
I'm not feeling too well.
You're not feeling too well. Look at who is not feeling too well. I'm not feeling too well. So that you'll be staying back in the house and be talking. Every time you are talking.
Is this your mouth? Leave me. We can go inside.
See, let me tell you, I told your mother that I will be the one to take you to school. So I want to stand here and watch you go.
And I said no,
get her from here.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
Look at this girl. You're proving stubborn for me. Eh? That's the only thing that you know how to do. Sit down, eat food, and be proving. Go to school.
Leave me.
So get her from here. Go to school.
Somebody that's not feeling fine.
Let me just go inside here now, and come out. If I see you here, if I see you here, what I will do to you?
You can go and bring knife.
You think you have mouth to talk, Abi? You think you have mouth to talk? Don't worry. Let me just go inside and come out here again.
You can go and come back home.
Are you still standing there? Eh? You're still standing there. I'm coming for you. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Just pushing somebody. Am I not a human being? If I go inside now, the issue is going to be worse. I don't like what this is. Take me to. She don't even bother about me. If she not come and carry me, and that is just like that. For God forbid. Imagine. This next to me, so mommy is serious about this. She's serious that she's not going to take me to school today. I know it's because of that chef. You see that chef, eh? Don't worry. When I come back, I will deal with him. I will use his mouth and just finish him. What kind of nonsense is this? Say you were just pushing me as if he's the owner of the house. But I'm just an ordinary chef that can even send message. I don't even like himself. Just wish I can just get back from that house. But it's not possible. It's not possible. Tired. My stomach is paining me. Hungry and tired at the same time.
Daniela! No! Prince Will! I will not allow you to accomplish a devilish deed not under my watch. Never. Victor!
And how do you know my name? Emeka, I thought you were there.
Victor, please. I'm here for you to help me. Help my child.
Your child?
Yes. Please. Emeka, take her. Take. The story is too long. I'm not in the mood to explain anything to you. Because I have a mission that I want to accomplish. So please, I beg you.
How? I don't understand.
You don't need to understand. Take my daughter. I will come back for her. But please, take good care of her. Please. I have to go now. I have to go.
Sure. She's still bleeding. No?
Amaka, my good friend, though. That is the end of the game. You cannot destroy what I labored for. You think sending me to my early grave is the ultimate? I will show you the stuff I'm made of. Prince Will, this is the end of you staying in my house. Sharon! I'm not here to wicked you.
Why slapping me?
I slapped you so that I will utilize the charm she used on you.
Charm? Who used on me?
First, where is our daughter?
Eh?
Where is your daughter?
Daniela should be at home. Inside. I think she's in school. I don't know. Daniela, I don't...
You are confused.
I don't know.
You are confused. Sharon, where is our daughter?
I don't know. I think she's in school. She's at home.
Why are you empty?
She's inside. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know what's happening to me. I don't even know where my own daughter is.
Why are you like this, Sharon? Why are you empty? He used you.
Who?
He flushed your brain.
Who flushed my brain?
He turned you against our daughter.
How?
Our daughter is under my custody.
How? Does it mean Daniela is dead? Huh?
Can you remember she told you that she's sick?
She did? She did? How? Is Daniela dead? So you're saying she's in your custody now? What is happening?
Don't worry. I will make everything easier for you. But Sharon, why did you tell my daughter that I belong in a Gothic? Why would you say such thing? Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten you're the one that liberates me? Have you forgotten you're the one that showed me a road to come out from that?
I don't know what came over me. I can't even remember seeing all of that. I don't know what happened. I don't know. How can I tell our daughter such a thing? How can I tell our little child such a thing?
My spirit is restless. I don't have peace of mind. For everything I labor for, everything I've worked for, it's crushed with the twinkle of an eye.
You mean your former God's people?
Yakuzu, they came for me.
Hey! How? Where did they here now? How come I did the one that is with our daughter?
The agent is living in our house.
How?
Prince Will is one of their agents.
The chef?
Yes.
One of... How?
He's the one that killed me.
Jesus!
He charmed my food.
Jesus! What is... That means he disguised himself to work in our house.
Yes. He's on a mission to destroy my family, to render me useless. He performed incantation in this compound every night.
Huh? All this thing has been happening here in our house.
And he's the one that turned you against your daughter. So that you hate my daughter because she's telling you the truth.
I can remember now. I remember when the leader told me that she disliked him. And I never believed her. I didn't even know that Delilah was telling me the truth. I will not allow him to accomplish his mission. Prince Will! The chef! Chef! Prince Will!
Madam.
How dare you? How dare you? So you're this evil!
Madam.
Huh?
Madam, what did I do?
You're asking me what you did. I can see you're seeing my husband. So you are this evil. You are one of his old court members. You came here to kill his family. How could you? How could you? Eh? You turned my back at my daughter.
Sharon!
To me like that.
Sharon, this is my battle. Step aside.
No, I want to kill him.
You cannot kill him. You can never kill him.
He destroyed my life. He destroyed my life. So you're an evil person. So you're a wizard. You disguise yourself and come into my household to destroy me.
You're just finding out. Now, let me tell you. I believe by now, you know that he was one of our members.
I knew already. Yes, I knew he was one of your members. But I liberated him. I took him to church and he repented. So you don't have the right to come to his household to destroy it. Yes.
We saw all that. Now listen. We made him what he is. We gave him the wealth that he's enjoying and that you yourself you are enjoying. Then he turned his back on us. You think we will allow that?
You don't. You can. I'm confused, honey.
Sharon!
What should I do?
Like I said.
What should I do? Because I want to kill you.
Like I said earlier, this battle is not for you.
Alaka, I thought I've warned you. I thought I've warned you never to show yourself up again. Because you have gone and you have gone for good.
Sharon, before I start this war, now, go at my back.
Is our daughter safe? Is our daughter safe?
Our daughter is safe. Now,
You think you have won this battle? I'm yet to start. We are the Lakosi. No, we are yet to start. Lakosi disappointed me. How?
I thought you have spiritual eyes. You have eyes, but you cannot see. I destroyed Lacus. So your powers are powerless. I told you my coming back will be thunderous. I warned you severely to go away from my home, but you developed depth here. You want to wipe everything in my home, but you failed.
You did what?
This day, I'm sending you to the world beyond. Forever and ever. Rebecca, you cannot try it. Do you hear me? You can't do it.
You're just blabbing. What do you mean by Lakuzi disappointed me? Rebecca, you can't.
You are a fool. You are a fool. I will show you the stuff I am made of.
No, this is not what you are.
This is just the beginning. You think you can step your foot into my territory to destroy me, to destroy my family. I will show you. I will show you how angry I am.
Don't come close to me.
No. You cannot run away from your shadow. I am everywhere. This is my abode. I stay everywhere. I see everywhere. This is where I belong. I will show you who I am. I want you.
Don't come close to me.
I want you to leave.
Don't come close to me. No, this cannot happen.
They sent you to come and kill me. And you accepted to waste my soul. I cannot allow you to go scot-free. You stabbed your foot into my board. You killed me. You killed me. And you think you can kill my wife. You will suffer. You will suffer. It is just the beginning. You think your gothic people will save you. I killed them. I killed every soul. I destroyed everything. You think you're wise. You think you're smart. I'll show you.
I was just set. I was just set.
You were sent to kill me and you accepted. They did not tell you that when I belong into that court, I am violent. I did not take no for an answer. I killed. I licked blood until I met this my favorite wife. She preached for me. She showed me the way of Almighty God. She took me to a pastor. She took me a pastor that prayed for me and liberated me. You think it's your money and I use to build this? Not your money. Not your money, you fool. They sent you. You disguise yourself as a chef. You stab your foot here. You poisoned my food. I died. That was not enough. You turned my wife against my daughter. My daughter was sick. She collapsed. If not, I did not interfere. My daughter would have been a dead person. Why you this men are wicked? You need blood. You need my blood. And you will lick your own blood. I will show you how angry I am for wasting innocent soul, for sending me to my early grave. I will show you that I am bitter. I am not happy with you.
Emeka, why? Why would you join us when you know that you are going to repent? Huh?
It wasn't intentional. I was deceived by a friend just because I was in a haste to make money. He deceived me to join that evil cause. And I did. It wasn't intentional. They said I should sacrifice my mother. I said no. When I found my wife, they said I should sacrifice my wife. I said no. I explained everything to my wife. She turned my life to a better life. They sent you to come and kill me, and you disguise yourself to cut my life short. Prince Will, I am sending you to the world beyond. I am coming for you right there. You will suffer. You will suffer till eternity.
Emeka, do your worst.
I summon the power of a no. The power given to me by the mothers of all mothers. Mother Earth. I summon you right now. Dismantle this fellow into pieces. Kill! Because I am brutal. Prince Will, say your last prayer. In your next word, learn how to control your movements. And as for you, I will not blame you because you were possessed. He charmed you. Now,
Where is our daughter?
I will tell you where our daughter is. I took her to Victor's house.
Huh?
Yes, Victor.
Victor, your friend.
My good friend.
Okay.
She slumped. I appeared to her and I took her to that place. So you know Victor's house. You go there and pick my daughter. Take good care of her. She needs your attention. And drugs. Call my private doctor.
I'll take her to the hospital to do a proper checkup.
My mission has been accomplished.
So, I don't want to see this body in my house.
He's coming with me. Don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. My mission here has been accomplished. I have to go now.
Let me